What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're doing a BMX overland adventure out here in Sedona. And as you can see, we got a new bike. Check it out, me building it. All right, well, if you guys like my build, this is my new BSD grime frame. And if you guys want me to talk about my BMX stuff, throw it down in the comments. I'll make some videos of my bike check, just like, you know, talk about the build, just like the truck. But we're gonna just hang out by the camp. We just got the new FSR aspen lite tent going on here, and this is the second night I'm chilling in it. We got my buddy Jackson, he rides BMX. We're gonna be shredding tomorrow at Sedona skate park. We got Jake, he's got skateboards, and then Parker, he might come along to the skate park. We'll see. We might hit some trails tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But we're gonna hang out around camp. The sun is going down. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna drink some beer, and then I'll see you guys later. We're gonna hit the skate park tomorrow. Watch me eat shit.
Shave.
I walked up to see my brother shaving his legs over the toilet.
Did he miss? Alright, everybody, I hope you liked that sunset. Now we just packed up camp and we're gonna go rip around in the beautiful red rocks out over here on this yonder way. It's gonna be fun. And then we're gonna hit the skate park, so stay tuned. We're gonna hit some trails, then the skate park. It's gonna be a fun one, so stay tuned. We enjoyed last night's little camp out here. There's a couple people around us. Never really have done this in a while with a lot of people. We tried to be very quiet. But yeah, we're gonna hit the trail and it's gonna be a good day. So let's get to it. gotta turn around. Gotta turn around. All right, guys, we just got done ripping around on the Sedona Mountains. I don't know what type of mountain it is, but we're like Baton County or Canyon, Baton Canyon. We're just gonna drive through this canyon up into Flags or Sedona. We're gonna drive up to Sedona, get Jackson a new bike tube in town, and then we're gonna shred. So it's pretty cool. I've never been out to this part of Sedona, actually driving around on the mountain sides and stuff like that. Too bad everybody ruined it during COVID. They left all their stuff at the area, and then they shut it down to pretty much primitive camp. So that's why we were around people last night, but it was still enjoyable. Just a bunch of quiet van lifers. But we're gonna drive this and check out the skate park. So stay along with the journey.
What are you gonna do?
Whatever I can.
That's right. Come up over here.
Gotta let my heart take a break.
All right, Gabe.
Ready? All right, everybody, that's about it for this week's video. I broke my back riding BMX. It hurts. Yeah, I drive 2 hours home from Sedona. My back hurts, but here's a little sneak peek if you guys haven't seen yet. We got a new little addition to the rig. I'll be making a video about that in the near future, so stay tuned for that. But I appreciate you guys so much. Check out my new merch on the website, downtimelost.com, and I'm pretty sure this video will be uploaded around Thanksgiving time, so I'm very thankful about you guys. You guys are awesome. And You guys really keep me going. So like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye. There you go.